Hello, friends. Welcome to this brand new podcast episode. I'm Andrew, your host. Nowadays, a metal roof is an excellent choice for any commercial or industrial building. As they are leak-prone, you may notice water and rust spots in certain areas of the roof. If you detect any of these signs on your roof, then contact Incore Restoration Group, LLC. They are a full-service roofing contractor in Arbor, Michigan, and have years of experience in this field. Plus, their certified roofers can evaluate your roof and repair all the damages with top-quality roofing materials. Moreover, they provide superior workmanship at affordable rates. Go to www.incorerestorationgroup.com to explore more. For any queries, call them directly at 1-866-685-0009. That's all for today's episode. Stay tuned for the latest updates.